Yeah, what's up? What's good, world? What's poppin'? How y'all feeling? We back. We got another one for y'all. We got another one, y'all. We heating up. We heating up. Yo, it's baking out there right now. It is so hot. But we ain't about to get into all. We about to get straight to it. I got some new sauce for y'all. I got some more information for y'all. I'm ready to put y'all on game. Let's get it started. Let's get it started. Back with the credit blueprint, baby. Today, we're going to talk about how to get approved for any credit in 2026. You know what I'm saying? Getting denied for a credit card feels personal, like the bank looked at you and decided you were not good enough. But here's the truth. Denials have nothing to do with who you are as a person. They are just math, and once you understand the math, you can flip it completely in your favor. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Get approved for any card you want this year. You feel what I'm saying? Before we talk about getting approved, let's talk about why people get denied, because you got to start somewhere. Because most people apply for cards without understanding what lenders actually look at. Number one reason, credit score too low for that specific card. Every credit card has a target credit score range. Applying for a premium rewards card with a 580 score is like applying for a job you are completely underqualified for. Number two, too many recent hard inquiries. If you have applied for 3 cards in the last 6 months, lenders see that as desperation, red flag. But I got the sauce to get that removed, so you can come get with me. Get with me. Got the sauce for that. Number 3, high credit utilization. Even if your score looks okay, a high utilization tells lenders you are already stretched thin. Number 4, too many new accounts. Opening multiple new accounts in a short period signals instability. Number 5, income too low, relative to the credit limit requested. Lenders want to see you can actually afford to pay back what they give you. Here is the move that eliminates most denials before they happen. Use pre-approval tools before you ever formally apply. Almost every major credit card issuer has a pre-approval or pre-qualification tool on their website. Capital One, Discover, American Express, Chase. You enter basic information, they do a soft pull, which does not affect your score at all, and they tell you which cards you are likely to get approved for. This is not a guarantee, but it is a very strong signal. If you are pre-approved, your actual approval odds are very high. If you are not pre-approved for a specific card, do not apply for it. Move to one where you are pre-approved. This one strategy alone eliminates most unnecessary hard inquiries and wasted denials. The biggest mistake people make is applying for cards above their credit profile. Here is the simple matching system. Credit score under 580, apply for only secure cards. No credit check options like Open Sky are your best bet. Credit score 580 to 640, apply for entry-level unsecured cards designed for fair credit. Capital One Platinum, Credit Bank, you feel what I'm saying? Stuff like that. Then you got credit score between 640 to 700. You now qualify for a wider range of cards, including some reward cards. Discover It, Capital One Quicksilver. Credit score 700 plus. Most cards are available to you, including premium travel and cashback cards. The key is always applying for cards designed for your current credit range, not your goal range, your current range. Because once you are approved and you use the card responsibly, your range will move up naturally. So you're going to get that anyway. I remember I told y'all before, you could ask for an increase every 30 days. You know what I'm saying? Every 90 days. My apologies. Every 90 days. So most people never think about their timing, about the application timing strategy. Here's what smart credit builders do. My apologies. I just smoked. First, never apply for multiple cards at the same time. Space applications at least 90 days apart, preferably 6 months. Second, apply after a positive change on your credit report. Just paid down a big balance, just had a collection removed, just got added as an authorized user. Wait 30 days for that change to reflect, then apply. Your score will be at its peak. Third, apply when your utilization is at its lowest, right after you pay your statement balance, but before the next billing cycle. So you're going to catch that right there, you know what I'm saying? Your reported utilization is at 0 or near 0. That is when to strike. Timing your applications around these moments dramatically increases your approval odds. Now, here's something people do not realize about the application itself. When you apply for a credit card, they ask about your income. Here's the key. You can include more than just your primary job. Side income, freelance income, partner's income if you file jointly, retirement income, investment income, anything legitimate counts. A lot of people understate their income on application because they think they have to prove it right then. You do not. They will verify it if they want to. But putting your actual full income on the application immediately increases your approval odds. You look more creditworthy. You look like you could handle a higher limit. Be honest, but be complete with what you report. If you do get denied, do not panic and do not immediately apply somewhere else. Here is your recovery plan. 1. Request the reason for denial in writing. The lender is required to tell you why. Read it carefully. 2. Wait at least 30 days before applying again. Let that hard inquiry age. Let your score recover. 3. Address the specific reason if possible. If it was utilization, pay it down. If it was too many recent inquiries, wait longer. Or I told you I got some saws, we can knock them right off. If it was income too low, work on increasing documented income. 4. Try a different card with lower requirements. Don't keep applying for the same card. 5. After 6 months to a year of good credit behavior, try again. Your profile will be stronger. That is how you get approved for any credit card in 2026. Understand why denials happen. Use pre-approval tools. Match cards to your actual profile. Time your application strategically. Report your full income. And have a recovery plan if you get denied. Follow the system and you will get approved. If you want my team, to personally help you choose the right cards for your specific situation and maximize your approval odds, y'all could come get with me. I got an Instagram. Y'all could come and comment on the page. Y'all could do whatever. My Instagram, Sincere Love 76. Y'all could get with me, man. Like I got a new video every single week, man. For real. Y'all could come get with me, bro. I'm some regular dude. I'm just out here making it, giving people that sauce, giving people the jewels, man. Y'all can share this with someone who keeps getting denied for credit cards, and share with somebody that's trying to get their credit fixed. And we here. And I'm going to see y'all in the next one. I appreciate y'all. Get with me. Show the vibes. We out of here.